Tyrsad Higher Secondary School, East Khasi Hills. The lineup: jersey number 2, Lisa Port Concert; jersey number 9, Wanrihon Karnyor; jersey number 6, Riban Nongjri; the captain, jersey number 8, Balabet Concert; jersey number 7, Yenisha Rani; jersey number 4, Waisha Mirthong; jersey number 13, Maphiba Byang Hon Wanyang; jersey number 10, Iba Shembha Concert; jersey number 1, the goalkeeper, Marcelina Umdor; jersey number 15, Nisha Nongbet; jersey number 12, Ibayai Kordor Umdor. The substitutes: jersey number 11, Badaya Hun Lang Jirwa; jersey number 21, the goalkeeper, Ricordor Kharshieng; jersey number 5, Jessica Umdor; the coach, Mekison Rani. On the other hand, Nongjri Presbyterian School, High Secondary School, jersey number 49, Rimika Kongkai; the captain, jersey number 31, Riti Bunrung; jersey number 28, Streamnet Taro; jersey number 44, Dapi Sinkley; jersey number 33, Enika Molong; the goalkeeper, jersey number 90, Rikinti Dingdo; jersey number 34, Larinia Umsong; jersey number 47, Judis Imle; jersey number 35, Iba Mipili Kharpran; jersey number 22, Balaymon Linkhoy; jersey number 40, Desamapi Shilla. The substitutes: jersey number 20, Bansuklang Nongrum; jersey number 23, Joysika Maulong; jersey number 43, Angelus Imle; jersey number 70, Hapishisha Marbanyang; jersey number 38, Pilari Hon Kharbuki; and the coach, Bobista Nongse. Hello and welcome to the finals of the Subroto Cup 2025. This is the under 17 finals between Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School versus Tyrsad Higher Secondary School, representing East Khasi Hills. That's Nongjri Presbyterian School of Bhoi, and Nongjri in their blue and white kit, Tyrsad Higher Secondary School in the green and the light green kit. So as you can see on your screen, it's Nongjri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School of Bhoi from right to left, and on your screen down the wing it's Tyrsad Higher Secondary School. Moving forward and playing it back now. This is Tyrsad, the captain, jersey number 8, Balabet Khongset, and in comes Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School from the left. What a cross that is, but comfortably collected by the goalkeeper, that is Nisha Nongbet. I beg your pardon, that's Marcelina Umdor of Tyrsad Higher Secondary School. A goal kick, and the ball intercepted, and it's in the Nongjri's Presbyterian High Secondary School. Here comes the tiki-taka that they wanted to play, but Tyrsad High Secondary School in green intercepting it out there, and here comes, it's been called an offside. The run was good, and an offside being called by the referee. What a run that was. Tyrsad Higher Secondary School with that kick lands into the half of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, and here comes Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, number 6, Riban. A shot. Where does it land? Outside the frame, and no problems whatsoever for Rikinti Dingdo, who is the goalkeeper of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Let me tell our viewers that it's 30 minutes for each half, and at the end of that they will decide with the penalty shootout to know who exactly is the winner. Clearance from Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. A throw-in in favor of Nongjri. Collecting the ball, and down the line she throws. Good collection out there, and from the right wing. A good clearance by the captain of Tyrsad High Secondary School, Balabet Khongset. Both these teams reached the final by defeating their respective opponents by a solitary goal. Let's see what will be the scoreline out here. Right. The throw in favor of Tyrsad Higher Secondary School. Looking for options out here, Tyrsad. And with that throw, intercepted by Nongjri. Again intercepted by Tyrsad, and the ball is in the middle now. A back pass. Not quite getting the clearance, and it's Tyrsad High Secondary School giving down the wing. There's a lot of cheers for both the teams from Bhoi and Tyrsad High Secondary School. Bhoi represented by Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. This is the SSA ground at Polo, and pretty warm day out here. A throw in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. Clearance by Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. A good clearance, and it's a throw in. Can Tyrsad capitalize on this? Again, clearance by Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. There you go, the cheer coming in. Jersey number 44, Dapi Sinkley, and falls down in that tackle. Two players going out there, 44 and 40. This is Dapi Sinkley and Desamika Shila. A back pass. Jersey number 47. Clearing it. Judy's Aimley, that was. Here comes Tyrsad High Secondary School in their own half. Intercepted by Nongjri. Jersey number 28. Streamlet Taro. Cross and cleared. And this could go in for a throw-in. A throw-in been given. Nice weather to play football at the moment. It's 22 degrees, as you can hear. It's windy as well. So just the right environment, conducive environment to play football. And here comes the clearance. Here comes jersey number. What a shot that was by the captain. A foul being given out there, and it looks like it's a free kick. Yes, it is. That was Rimika Kongkhai, the captain of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Tyrsad trying to get the opening out here because they know anyone scoring the first goal will mentally have that edge over the other. Free kick being taken and intercepted out there. Right, the coach urging the girls from Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, but jersey number 35, Ibami Kharpran Spas, really disappointing out there. And here comes Nongjri again, and it's a throw-in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. The Subroto Mukherjee Cup 2025, the finals. This is state level. The under 17 girls. A throw-in. Cleared again by the captain Rimika Kongkhai. What a strong kick she has. And the goalkeeper of Tyrsad having no problems whatsoever. Marcelina Umdor with that kick. Again the ball with Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Good defending out there and cleared by Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Here's a shot. Good cross. Goes to the left. The crowd cheering for Tyrsad High Secondary School. And it's a throw-in. Unfortunately, she just couldn't gather speed. Jersey number 31, Riti, with the throw for Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. And there you go. 3 women for the ball. 3 girls rather. I beg your pardon. Oh, good interception. But there you go. Look at Bhoi. Clearing out there, not yet quite the good clearance that we expected. And in comes the captain again, Remika Kongkhai. Again the shot by Tyrsad. Two players falling down. And that's a foul. Looks like that's a foul. And yes, that is. And jersey number 44, that was Duppy Sinkley, being the main culprit out there. It's a free kick. And let's see what happens. Jersey number 13, Maphiba Wanyang with that shot. But in comes the captain again of Nongjri, Remika Kongkhai. She's really been at every position that the team needed her. And down the wing, Nongjri with that pass. Can this be the finish? But unfortunately, too much of the touch made by Streamlet Taro out there. And it goes in for the corner in favor of Nongjri. Nearly the opening goal was lurking out there. The deadlock could have been broken, but Streamlet Taro just couldn't control that first touch of hers. 5 blue shirts out there in the area trying to get this. And in comes Remika Kongkhai with that corner kick, but a wasteful one. Just couldn't deliver as much as he promised. Looking for options. This is your goal kick, and again the ball in favor of Nongjri. Again the clearance, but no one. And could that be the mistake? But Streamlet Taro again. Chances begging, chances coming in her way. Jersey number 10, that was Iba Shambha Khongset of Tyrsad High Secondary School, making that mistake, that very awful one. And the goal kick being done by Lisha Khongset. Good kick out there. But again the ball in Nongjri's favor. Cleared by Lisha Khongset again of Tyrsad High Secondary School. For those of you who have joined in, East Khasi Hills are represented by Tyrsad High Secondary School, Nongjri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School representing Bhoi. Loud cheer for Bhoi, as you can see. Never ending cheer. 5th of July, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finals of the Subroto Mukherjee Cup 2025, the state level. Lisha put Khongset with a goal kick. At last it reaches Tyrsad High Secondary School, and clearance from Nongjri. Streamlet passing it to jersey number 22. And in comes and a good interception out there by Bhoi. And that's a foul. Free kick in favor of Tyrsad. Is it? No, it's the other way around. It is in favor of Bhoi. Will it be the captain again? Not really. With the kick. Not really quite the kick that we expected, but nevertheless, reaching its destination is what's more important. Two of them, no communication whatsoever, and here comes Bhoi. But this is the captain of Tyrsad with that clearance. Cleared again by Bhoi, and it's a throw-in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School representing East Khasi Hills in the green jersey. Again, it's a throw-in. Half an hour each is what the designated time is, and we'll see what happens. A kick out there, is that a high boot? Really, the referee can't see it from that distance. Again the clearance. A back pass. Cleared out there by jersey number 33, Anisha Maulong of Nongjri. Too much of a scuffle inside the D area, and this is what you call a body check. But will that be fruitful or not? And it's a corner. The captain of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, Rimika Kongkhai, trying to implement the body check. But then the ball didn't quite want to leave the goalkeeper area. And in the process, Nongjri earning a corner. Here comes a corner, but cleared by Nongjri. Here comes Nongjri. And what can happen out here? Oh, a shoulder push. What a shoulder push was that. In comes the cross. And is that the first foul inside the goalkeeper area? A costly mistake by Rimika Kongkhai of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. And it's jersey number 4 of Tyrsad High Secondary School, Vaisha Mirthong. And here comes a penalty. Can they score? This is Tyrsad High Secondary School. Where will she go? To the left or to the right? The referee giving instructions to the other players. You're not supposed to move in. Penalty. Here it comes. Again the referee explaining to the goalkeeper, to step out. Remember the rules. We're following the rules of the game. It's important to abide by it. And the referee blows the whistle. And the captain takes it. What a kick. What a penalty kick. Goalkeeper Rikinti Dingo was just a mere spectator at the moment. And it's the captain of Tyrsad Higher Secondary School who has broken the deadlock. Jersey number 8, Balabet Khonsit, scoring the first goal of the match. Interesting game of football happening at the moment. I'm sure Bhoi will come back, and let's wait and watch. Captain of Bhoi with that clearance again. Rimika Kongkhai goes to her opponent. Captain, that is Balabet Khonsit, giving that pass. Again cleared by Bhoi. Strong kicks from the young girls of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. At the moment, it's Tyrsad High Secondary School who have taken the lead courtesy the penalty kick from Balabet Khonsit. Goal kick taken. Lands again into Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Again cleared by Balabet Khonsit. Here comes Tyrsad, representing East Khasi Hills. And oh, what a pass that was. What a pass, but intercepted. Good ball to jersey number 4. That was Vaisha Mirthong. Again, it's gone out. So a throw in favor of Tyrsad. Looks like Tyrsad really want more goals. Looking a little nervous out here. Oh, what skill out there by jersey number 28, Streamlet. Poor pass out there by jersey number 9. And in comes the captain. Captain of Nongjri. This is Rimika Kongkhai from the right. Looking for options, crosses, but goes directly to the goalkeeper, Marcelina Umdor, and it's a corner kick in favor of Nongjri. There you go, the corner kick, and a miss, and that's a goal! Jersey number 22, at the right place, at the right time. Palemon Linkoi. What a costly miss that was by the goalkeeper, Marcelina Umdor. And fortune favors the brave, as they say. Palemon Linkoi of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School was there at the right time, at the right moment. Scored that goal. Again, they have to start from behind. So the game is looking good. 1-1 at the moment. Throw in favor of Tyrsad Higher Secondary School. So 1 each is the score, and shot being taken, but it's a throw in favor of Nongjri. Now, I beg your pardon, Tyrsad with that throw. Jersey number 47, a good interception out there. That is Judy Samele of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Tyrsad now has the ball. Jersey number 6 trying to enter from the right, but no options across. Comfortable in the defenders of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Again, clearance. We've already crossed the halfway mark of the first half. Oh, a little step over from Streamlet, but that doesn't change anything. And here comes Bhoi again with that cross. What can be? And it's an offside being called. Jersey number 44, Duffy Sinkley, being caught in an offside position. A good kick, and looks like a handball has been given, and yes, it is. The Bhoi crowd has really come in numbers. The captain Rimika Kongkhai with the shot. Cleared from Tyrsad Higher Secondary School. Jersey number 4 now of Tyrsad, Vaisha Mirthong. Giving it to her left. Jersey number 7, that's Yesha Rani. But a wastage of a pass out there from Vaisha Rani, and looks like it's a throw-in. A throw-in in favor of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Pretty windy at the moment, and really good platform for these girls to be noticed, and we're covering it from the Doordarshan Shillong. Good to see young girls coming in numbers to play this beautiful game, as they say. Good clearance. Again, it's a throw-in in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. A throw-in in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. To the captain, jersey number 8, Balabet Khongset, who took the penalty kick. Cleared again by Rimika Kongkhai. There goes Streamlet with the ball, but looks like Rimika Kongkhai is lying on the ground. She's injured herself. In the meantime, referee is in no mood to stop the play. Tyrsad has the ball now. Jersey number 4, Vaisha Mirthong. The crowd protesting out here to stop the game. At last, the referee listens, and treatment has to be given to Rimika Kongkhai now. And rightly so. Physios and the doctors on their way. Good contest, an even contest between these two teams. There you go, Rimika Kongkhai, and getting the nursing that's required. Right, kick being given in favor of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Tyrsad Higher Secondary School, taking that and high boot, which is not allowed in a game of the beautiful game, as we say, football. So it should be a good long kick, and there you go, the captain returns to the war front now, and clearance from Tyrsad. Jersey number 6 of Tyrsad now. Intercepted by Nongjri, Presbyterian High Secondary School, and cleared away for a throw-in in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. The artificial turf in the Shillong Sports Association out here in Polo. This is the venue of the finals of the under-17 girls state level. This is between Bhoi and East Khasi Hills. Right clearance from Nongjri. And clearance from Tyrsad as well. Here comes Tyrsad. Looking for options to the left, but none whatsoever. And there she goes, jersey number 12. That is Bhoi Umdor with that clearance. But look at Bhoi's powerful kick. That is Nongjri's Presbyterian High Secondary School. Throw in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. A good cross, a good sure. Can this be the shot is taken, but that is wide, way wide. What a ball that was! What a ball that was from Tyrsad High Secondary School. Went into the goalkeeper's area, but the finish was so poor, just so poor. Goal kick, and Rimika Kongkhai, the captain of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, to take it. Not as far as Tyrsad's clutches. High ball out there. Tyrsad really not daring to go at the moment. First half nearly coming to an end. Cleared by Tyrsad in that. That is jersey number 10. Iba Shemha Kongsit. Right, a throw in favor of Nongjri. Cleared away by jersey number 7, Yanisha Rani of Tyrsad. Trying to get the ball. This is Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School earning themselves a corner kick. Which will be taken by Rimika Kongkhai. Rimika Kongkhai with the corner kick. You can hear cheers of Bhoi in the background. Right, Rimika Kongkhai with the corner. Can she repeat the same? Lot of jerseys, and especially jersey number 22 now with the ball, but unfortunately loses his out. In the previous occasion, she did score from that position. Here comes Streamlet. Streamlet with the cross, but not as far as Tyrsad's clutches. So there you go. Once again, Streamlet. What a player she is. Going towards the left. It's already gone beyond. And there you go. Good spectators all round. Coming in huge numbers. Really good to see youngsters coming in to watch this. A throw in. Cross in by Streamlet, but leaving it to go out. And that is the goalkeeper of Tyrsad. That is Marcelina Umdor. Goal kick. Miss kick out there from Nongjri. Captain taking full responsibility in her hands. Balabet Kongstead really pushing her team. There she comes again. But this time it's Streamlet. Coming in from the left, but cleared away by the defenders of Tyrsad High Secondary School. Streamlet with a throw. Here's Rimika Kongkhai. A good cross, or was it a shot? And will that be the second goal? Unfortunately, no. She's hurt herself out there. That is jersey number. Looks like it. It looks like Judy. It is. Hit on the side. Jersey number 40. I beg your pardon. That is Day Samapi Shalla. A 50-50 game. Things like that will happen. Calling in for the physio to take care out there. And there you go. She's being carried out. Here comes the corner kick. Corner kick coming in. There she comes in, but cleared by the captain, Balabet Kongsit. And that's the end of the first half, ladies and gentlemen. And it's at the moment, the scores are level at 1 each. Courtesy a goal from Balabet Kongsit via penalty. And that kick from Palaimon Linkhoi of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. The first half. Welcome back. This is the second half of the Under-17 girls. The finals of the Subroto Mukherjee Cup 2025, the state level in Meghalaya. At the moment, it's even Stevens between the girls from Tyrsad in green and the girls from Nongjri in blue. Second half, 30 minutes to go, and we'll wait and watch who will eventually be the winner of the Subroto Cup 2025, the state level under 17 girls. It's at 1 apiece at the moment, and a throw in already in favor of Tyrsad. A cross from Tyrsad, attacking right from the front, but side netting. No problems whatsoever to Rikinti Dingdo, the goalkeeper of Nongjri Higher Secondary School. The captain has been there, the force behind the team, that is Rimika Kongkhai, leading the contingent with an example, and that is Streamlet right now with that ball. Clearance, but is that a good clearance? And it will be a throw in favor of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Throw in, and yes, Bhoi. A lot of people just coming in from the break, having their tea and snacks, and this is Tyrsad, the captain of Tyrsad High Secondary School, scoring the first goal via penalty. But straight 4 or 5 minutes after that, it was Palaimon Linkhoi of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School squaring it off. There goes the captain again. What a shot, but easily collected by the goalkeeper of Tyrsad High Secondary School. That is Marcelina Umdor with that goal kick. But here comes Tyrsad. Jersey number 4. Good cross. What a diagonal cross that is. Can Tyrsad capitalize on this? It's jersey number 6, Riba Nongbri, dazzling away out there, but unfortunately intercepted. And here comes Streamlet from the left, giving a pass to the captain, Rimika. Good control. Streamlet now looking for options, but that's a throw in favor of Tyrsad. A throw in. And that's a good ball. Very good ball. Can Tyrsad capitalize on this? Oh, what a stop. What a stop. That's great defending by Nongjri. Great defending. Again a throw in. We are covering it live from the Shillong Sports Association. This is the first ground, as they say. Jersey number 49, Rimika Kongkhai, will take the honors of throwing the ball. Tyrsad getting the throw in now. 1-1 is the score. Clearance from Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. 3 versus 1 right now. What does Tyrsad do? Gives it away. Tyrsad looking for options and gets in a jersey number 4, Waisha Mirthong. Oh, good dribbling skills out there. What does she do again? Side stopping 1, side stopping 2 from the left. Crosses, what a ball, and that will go in for a corner. She looks tired out there. That's jersey number 4, Waisha Mirthong of Tyrsad High Secondary School, representing East Khasi Hills. Corner kick in favor of Tyrsad High Secondary School. Let's see. Only 3 green shirts. The rest are all blue. Will this corner kick be of some value? In comes the kick. Oh, one of them. A missed shot. A missed shot. But it looks like the referee saw that the ball did touch the hand of the players of Tyrsad High Secondary School. One of the players of Tyrsad High Secondary School. Giving it a free kick now. Rimika Kongkhai. With that cross. Gets the kick. And a good ball out there but then cleared away by Nongjri. I beg your pardon, that's Tyrsad who cleared the ball. The ball with Nongjri right now. Trying to dribble, but jersey number 6, that is Riban Nongjri, making sure that it doesn't go beyond where the expectation is. Rimika Kongkhai, captain of Nongjri. Good cross. What a cross. Tyrsad are really playing lovely football out here. But just the finishing is not up to the mark. The delivery is just excellent, if not more. Rimika Kongkhai with the throw. She goes towards her left. For those of you who have joined us, this is the second half of the Under-17 Subroto Mukherjee Cup Finals. It's being played between Tyrsad High Secondary School and Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. The first of the first substitutions for Nongjri, and there comes jersey number 40. Makes way for jersey number 43. That's Angela's Imle. A shot by Tyrsad's captain. Jersey number 8, Balabet, and no one at the right position out there. Balabet with that cross. Rimika Kongkhai now. With that shot. Balabet getting that ball. Getting options. Jersey number 4. That's Waisha Mirthong. Again. Jersey number 9 now. Can she cross? One Rihon Karnyor. Going towards her left. Again going towards her left. Oh, good turn. But good defending by the girls. And that cross was just poor. And a huge mistake Is it offside? Offside being given first. Rightly so. To Nongjri, Hun Karnyor and Rimika Kongkai again. As she pulled her muscle. Offside being given, so. So here comes Rimika Kongkai. There she goes. Jersey number 85 with that cross. Cleared by Tyrsad. Right now the ball with Tyrsad and a lot of back passing being happening out there. But here comes I beg your pardon, still with Tyrsad. Cleared by jersey number 13. Mapi Babayai Mapi Babiang Hun Wanyang. Oh, here's the captain, jersey number 49. Lots of cheers. Here comes Bhoi and it's an offside. What a ball that was by Rimika Kongkai. Offside at the last moment. Here comes Rimika again. The clearance not good. Dribbles one, but not quite. Here comes the shot. But not posing any threat to the goalkeeper of Tyrsad Higher Secondary School. That is Marcelina Umdor. The kick to be taken by jersey number 2, Lisa Podkongsit. And it goes out. It's a throw in favor of Nongjri. Is there a foul throw being given? Yes, it is a foul throw. And jersey number 10 of Tyrsad High Secondary School. This is Iba Shambha Kongsit with the throw. Down to her right. Again a throw in favor of Tyrsad. What will happen? Let's wait and watch. This is Tyrsad now with the throw, looking for options. There's jersey number 9, there's jersey number 15. Unfortunately, it goes out and it's a corner. Mind you, it's a corner. So, danger still posing, still lurking out there in the radar of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. The corner kick comes in. With that shot, oh what a shot that was, but wide away from the frame. That was jersey number 6, Riban Nongjri. What a ball that was. What a ball. Kick being taken by Nongjri. Here comes Tyrsad. Tyrsad going wave after wave of attack. Jersey number 4, but the last touch was just too far. So it's a throw in favor of Tyrsad, I guess. Yes, it is. Tyrsad with the throw to the captain, jersey number 2 with the cross. Cleared out there, still danger posing, but not so whatsoever. So, Nongjri living in times of danger at the moment. There have already been waves, under waves of attack. They're not calm, they're not composed. Jersey number 47 with the kick. Judith Emle. That's Streamlet, jersey number 28. Rimika. What a combination these two girls are. Have a look at that. Oh, beautiful pass. Beautiful pass. Oh, what a tackle. What a tackle by jersey number 10. Iba Shambha Kongsit of Tyrsad High Secondary School. The crowd just loved that. And why not? This is what football is all about. It's a beautiful game that can be played by even the young girls representing East Khasi Hills and Bhoi. Jersey number 2 now, Lisa Put of Kongsit will take the goal kick, and here she is. Good strong kick. Here comes jersey number 12 of Tyrsad, cleared out there by the captain. Not quite clear enough by Tyrsad, but here comes Tyrsad again with the ball. Jersey number 4, Vaisha Mirthong. Oh, good interception and clearance by Nongjri. It's getting warm out here in Shillong. That clearance just wasting out there, and rightly so. The goalkeeper wants to collect the ball as soon as possible. They want to finish this in this game, not take it to the penalty shootout. Jersey number 47, Judy Samley with the kick. Judy Samley. Tyrsad with the ball now. Jersey number 9 of Tyrsad. Well intercepted by Bhoi's. Jersey number 31, Riti Bundrung. Good defending all round. Strong girls from Bhoi. Jersey number 35. And here's the ball with Tyrsad. Good cross. Can this be the moment? Not really. Once again, they still have a shot to take. Collected by the goalkeeper, and a lot of a mishap could have happened. Goalkeeper nervous out there. Jersey number 90, Rikanti Ding Dong. Here comes Bhoi. It looks like Bhoi have only 2 players who are playing at the moment. It's Streamlet and Rimika. The rest are all nervous. Here comes Rimika again. Good skill by the captain. Dazzling away out there. Have a look at that. And that is a foul. That is a foul by her counterpart, Balabet Khongsit. Rimika Kongkai. Good shot. Not getting her friend to take that ball, and that's a clearance by Tyrsad. Cleared away by Nongjri. Cleared again by Nongjri. Referee blowing the whistle. Offside being saying that's offside, so here comes Nongjri. Jersey number 2. I beg your pardon, this is Tyrsad. Jersey number 2. Good long kick. What a kick. Cleared away by Nongjri. And in comes jersey number 6, Riban Nongbri. What can she do? She doesn't have any options. There's no one out there to support her. Not really. And fortunately for her, they do get a throw-in. A good throw-in. And then it's a throw-in in favor of Nongjri now. Rimika Kongkai with the throw. Who does she give? Does she give Streamlet? Yes, she does. The two have really built up a rapport out here. But here comes Tyrsad with the shot. Not where it's supposed to land. The target, way off target, that I can say. Goal kick again. The ball within the area of Tyrsad once again. Tyrsad really going for the kill, going for the attacking mode. But Nongjri not giving up, and it's a throw-in favor of Tyrsad. Jersey number 10, Iba Shambha Khongset will take the throw. What a throw that is. The captain, Balabet Khongset. A pass, and it's an offside. An offside being given by the ref. The assistant referee on the far right hand side. Good decision. We've already crossed the halfway mark of the second half. Wait and watch what will happen. Here comes the long shot from Nongjri. Oh, Balabet with that diving header out there. Oh, have a look at Rimika Konkai, beg your pardon. Streamlet with that cross. There comes Bhoi. And inching away. Very close. For the first time in these 10 minutes, they have come in. A throw by Rimika Konkai. Long throw. Not cleared, and referee blowing the whistle. Right, the whistle being blown, and here comes the kick. Balabet with the ball now. Headed by the Nongjri's goal scorer, that is Palaimon Linkhoi, jersey number 22. A throw in favor of Tyrsad. Again, Palaimon doing what the doctor just ordered, and a throw in again. Balabet. A throw in favor of Tyrsad, I guess. Yes, it is. Jersey number 7. Good ball to jersey number 6, but too much. Too much for Riban Nongjri to take that. It'll be a throw in favor of Nongjri. Jersey number 22, that is Palaimon Linkhoi. But it looks like Rimika Konkai has taken. She is the leader, the captain, and she's been there in all parts of the field. A throw in for Tyrsad. Tyrsad with the throw. Coming in, inching closer and closer. Tired legs of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Balabet. What a good kick. There she comes. Can they shoot from there? Jersey number 9, but well intercepted by Rimika Konkai. What a pass. Here comes jersey number 43, but cleared away by Tyrsad. Looks like it'll go out, and yes, it does. And it's a throw in favor of Nongjri. Good game of football. Very good game of football. Good throw. Jersey number 31 of Nongjri with the clearance. Rimika Konkai again. What a ball. What a good clearance by Tyrsad. Jersey number 2, Lisha Put Kongsit. Jersey number 31 out there with the shot. Good interception by Tyrsad, as you can see, and good long ball that they believe in. Cleared by Nongjri. Here comes, oh, what a ball that was. Not quite getting into the head of Yenisha Rani. A good cross by Wandrihon Kharnyor, but Yenisha Rani not just quite picking it up at the right time. Here comes Streamlet with the ball. Both of the teams trying to get that, trying to break the deadlock, but Tyrsad on one hand has really gone in wave after wave of attack. Nongjri out here, Rimika Konkai, what a pass. But the clearance from Tyrsad's Lisha Put Kongsit. Here comes Tyrsad, jersey number 9. Looking for options. She does get jersey number 6, it looks like. Yes, jersey number 6, Riban Nongjri. Looking for options. The cross. Not quite the cross that everybody wanted to see. Slipped at the last moment. A throw in for Tyrsad. Tyrsad with the cross, with the throw, I beg your pardon. And this is Nongjri. 3 versus 3. Counter attack from Nongjri. Oh, what a clearance by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 of Tyrsad has actually been the rock at the defense of Tyrsad High Secondary School. That is Lisha Khongset. She's really been the rock. A little bit of quarrel out there between jersey number 24 Dapi Sinkli and Tyrsad's Lisha Khongset. But in comes the throw now. Rimika Kongkhai with the throw. Here comes the cross. No one out there to pick up. Goalkeeper collects it. The goalkeeper, that is Marcelina Umdor. Looking for options. Where will she kick? And she does. Only to find Nongjri's player, but Tyrsad really. Oh, good skill. Jersey number 9. Tyrsad, Wanrihon Karanyor. Cleared by Nongjri. Here comes Nongjri. This is Nongjri's number 44 and a shot! Dapi Sinkli with that shot. Persisting, and she did persisted. Towards the end, Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. They took their chances. Patience to prevail in the end. It's 2-1 to them. 2-1 to the school from Bhoi. There you go on your screen. Jersey number 44. Dapi Sinkli. They huffed and they puffed. Just couldn't quite get. What can Tyrsad do out here? They just have less than 3 or 4 minutes to go. That's a push by jersey number 2. Frustration taking the better of her. Under 17-year-old, they will have a lot of emotions running, adrenaline running, and it's the finals, mind you. They've come a long way. They don't want to just give it up just like that. Jersey number 49, Rimika Kongkhai. Can she deliver a long ball? And if this goes in, Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School would have buried in. Here comes a shot. A long ball. Good ball, but cleared by Balabet Khongset of Tyrsad. There you go. Balabet with that ball again. Here comes jersey number 4. Going from the left. She's looking for options. Jersey number 4, Waisha Mirthong, looking for options. The cross is good, but could this be the moment? Good save. They've got another chance. Jersey number 7, again another block. Again another shot. Blocked twice. Here comes jersey number 2. The shot not quite going. And all of them missing the shot. 3 chances in a span of 30 seconds, mind you. Jersey number 7, Yenisha Rani. Jersey number 6, Riban Nongbri. There was also a chance for jersey number 2. That was Lisha Khongset. Unfortunately, it didn't go on. Brave save out there by the goalkeeper of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, Rikinti Dingdo. Fortune favors the brave, that's what they say, and this is what Nongjri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School not only have done that, but I guess the element of luck has been slightly favoring their side. The long ball coming in and posing no threat to the goalkeeper of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Jersey number 90, that is. They will take their time. They know they have the upper hand. Mind games being played out here. With that kick. Here comes Tyrsad, jersey number 9. Will she take a long shot? She does. But way off the mark. Way off the mark. If you look at probably the ball position, I can actually say that Tyrsad really had more of the ball position in this half. But that element of luck was just riding in favor of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School. Is that a foul? Referee pays no attention to that. Clearance again. Cleared. The shot being taken, but straight into the hands of Nongjri's goalkeeper, Rikinti Dingdo. Almost time. Almost time. Here comes Tyrsad again. Jersey number 9. What a player she is. Wanrihun. But unfortunately, football is a game of 11 players. It's not a one-man show. But in this case, I can say a one-girl show. Nongjri again. But cleared by again Nongjri coming. And it's a throw-in for Tyrsad. The last minute, the last throw of the dice. Has Tyrsad taken the substitution? Not yet. Will this be a time-wasting scenario now? Here comes the change, and jersey number 43 will make way. Angeleja Semle for jersey number 23. And jersey number 23, Joysika Maulong, will come to stretch her muscles for a short span of time. Body check being implemented, and a throw in favor of Tyrsad, and it looks like jersey number 44, the goal scorer, Dapi Sinkley, lies injured out there, calling for the physio. Throw in favor of Tyrsad. Tyrsad again getting the throw in. Cleared by Rimika Kongkhai. Here comes Nongjri, but a foul being committed at that point. Tyrsad. It has to be a strong kick. They have to give it all out. There you go, the kick goes in. The header from jersey number 4, but collected by the goalkeeper of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School, Rikinti Dingdo. Here comes Tyrsad. Jersey number 9 has to square it off, but a wrong pass. It goes into the foot of Rimika Kongkhai. Good cross again. Looks like an offside is given. Yes, it is. And the last dying minutes. Jersey number 2. With that kick. Here comes Nongjri from the left. Rimika asking for it. A cross. Will there be anyone? And a good save. Or an offside. Is it an offside? Yes, it is an offside. An offside being shown. Offside. This probably should be the last kick any moment from now. The referee will blow the whistle. And finally, with that final whistle, it's heartbreak. Heartbreak for Tyrsad. What a well-fought match. But congratulations to Nongjri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Took the honours, scored the second goal, and just like I said, persisted and they persisted and they persisted. Well-deserving winners. Jersey number 44, Duffy Sinkley, making sure that the team really deserved to be called the winners. Let's not forget Rimika Konkai, let's not forget Streamnet Taro, and the entire team of Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School representing Bhoi. So it's Bhoi who's been deserved the winners of the Under 17 Girls Subroto Cup state level in Meghalaya. Thank you, and we'll be back for some more action with the Under 17 boys. Stay tuned.